Ya hemos recibido las nuevas placas de los Windows y ahora vamos a ver cómo también las montan la Pick and Play.
These are the newest beenode boards for Hive, fresh from manufacturing. No components yet, just bare PCBs waiting to become part of the system. Each beenode is part of a larger modular system. Before validation, before firmware, before hot swap, everything starts here. The first step is applying solder paste through a precision stencil, matching every pad on the board. Before assembly starts, every board is inspected to make sure the solder paste is perfectly aligned. At this scale, small imperfections become real problems later.
Reviso así los puntos más críticos donde puede ser que haya quedado sin par.
Probar, ¿no?
Ahora que ponemos la plantillita.
The smallest components go first, placed one by one using the pick and place system, aligned with precision. Hundreds of individual parts, each one critical to the final system. Next come the larger components, like the M.2 connectors for NVMe storage. These connectors are where the Raspberry Pi compute modules will eventually slot into the beenodes. Everything has to align perfectly. Mechanical fit, electrical contact, signal integrity. Ethernet transformers for signal isolation and stable communication. HDMI connectors. Power filtering components. Every part has a specific role inside the system. One last visual inspection. Once assembly is complete, the boards move into the reflow oven. The solder paste melts and solidifies, permanently bonding every component to the PCB. This is the moment the boards truly start becoming hardware. Some components are still installed by hand. GPIO headers, jumpers, USB-C ports. The final details before validation begins. At this point, the benodes are assembled, but they are not finished yet. Next comes validation, power delivery, communication, thermal behavior, and the first real tests of the system. Hive is evolving fast, and we'll keep documenting the engineering process as the project moves forward. If you don't want to miss the development of Hive, future prototypes, and the road to Kickstarter, subscribe to the channel and check the project landing page linked in the description, and join the mailing list to get early access to updates and launch news. Let us know in the comments what would you like to see next. Thanks for watching.